Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to catch the common prawn in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to open up my fish observation. Okay, and this is the common prawn. And I'm going to show you guys the details information about this common prawn. Okay, basically you can catch this common prawn in any weather during the sunny days, rainy days, or the rainbow event. And for the source, it's from the East Sea. So if you want to catch this common prawn, just go to the East Sea and try to catch it. Okay, this is the East Sea. It's near the forest, so you can track this bus stop at the forest, and then you can go to the East Sea and you can fish here to catch the common prawn. Okay guys, and that's how we can catch the common prawn in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.